Hi everyone, welcome to the screencast today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to search something in Google. So in my history class, we're learning about the American Revolution and how to search that. You type in the subject, you can pop it up right here and it shows up. And then you can click the link and it should show you everything that you need to learn about your subject. And from here you can work on your assignments in class in a Google Doc. So for example, you're going to hit the plus sign up here. You're going to go to the search bar and click in Google Docs. And it should pop up and you can click it. And click where it says Google Docs free online or down here where it says Google Docs. Doesn't matter, whichever one's fine. It's going to bring you to the home page and you're going to scroll down and you can click to go to Google Docs. You can click what kind of report or essay or anything you'd like to do. But for now, I'm going to do a blank. So you click the plus sign where it says blank. And then it has a whole new document where you can edit it. You can title it. So for this, since we're talking about American Revolution, we put American Revolution. Okay, and then you can edit however you want. You can put different fonts right here. There's a lot more when you scroll down. I usually use Times New Roman. And then your font size, mine's going to be in 12. And then you can choose the text color. My favorite color is pink, so I'm going to put it in pink. And then I'm going to put my name. All right, and that is how you go to search a subject and how to start a new Google Doc. Thank you.